Okay. Intay man namon na dati champion apo ti vaccination gapot they are the pioneer first in the country Philippines nga nakakompleto apo kadigitay babalasang age 9 to 14 idikwa nga tatan impangato da DJ Tawen nga mabakunaan kadetoy anti-cervical cancer dita ngay Bana, the municipality of Bana with Mayor Mary Christine Abadilla. Digente man.
We actually started this advocacy since last 2022. Diba, alam naman natin yan. We had the launching of the HPV vaccination for 9 to 14 years old, which is actually being handed over sa atin ng Department of Health na kailangan natin gawin. Utos yan sa atin ng national government. Actually, since 2015 pa yan na inutos, pero syempre, hindi natin yan agad-agad nalalaman at until talagang kikilatisin natin kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan natin ibigay sa taong bayan when it comes to healthcare services. So we launched that 2022, yung achievement natin no, na recognize din ng World Health Organization, yung 90% of the total number of girls natin with the age 9 to 14 years old na bakunahan na natin, and we're done with that. And yes, so na-achieve na natin yon. So happy tayo with that. And we're not only carrying the banner of Bana, Ilocos Norte, but the entire province to. Kasi every time nagsispeaking engagement tayo sa labas, ang kinikerry natin hindi lang Bana, kundi Ilocos Norte. Yung actually yung buong probinsya, bit natin yan. And so natapos na natin bakunahan yon kasi yun naman yung utos ng World Health Organization. 15 and below, kailangan na bakunahan. So happy na tayo with that. And then nag-launch tayo last December dito rin sa bayan natin. Yung catch-up vaccination program natin. Catch-up vaccination program, it's actually not, hindi yan utos ng DOH atin. So nagkaroon lang tayo ng initiative na gano'n. Yes, it's actually our own initiative na gagawin natin. The reason for that is because nung pandemic, diba, it was like everything was halted. Even kung ano yung dapat maibigay sa mga taong bayan. School-based immunization program itong HPV na bakuna natin. So, hindi nagsuschool ang mga bata. Diba? So, ang ginawa natin, inisip natin, paano natin ngayon mababakunahan yung mga hindi na bakunahan ng pandemic. So, nung time na yon, last year, kinuha natin yung more likely age nila. Yung gap na yon, we address that and nakuha natin. So, yun more likely yung mga may age na 15 to 17 years old naman. So, binakunahan naman natin sila ngayon na HPV vaccine. And this time, when they reach 15 years old, we're supposed to be giving 3 doses already of the vaccine. Not like pagka 9 to 14 years old, they are only getting two doses. Yes, 2 doses ang binibigay natin. And then, last August 17, yun yung cohorts natin, meaning yung population natin ng 15 to 17 years old dito sa Bana, na bakunahan na natin. And the last dose that we gave was last August 17. So, na-cover na rin natin yon yung bakuna nila. So, happy na tayo doon kasi na yung catch-up vaccination program na initiative natin, nagawa na rin natin. And yung newest blessing na binigay natin sa bayan natin. Kasi syempre, hindi naman din tayo titigil ng pagpapabakuna ng HPV vaccine because this is actually one of the advocacies that we have here in Bana, the road for cervical cancer elimination.